These are the necessary materials that we're going to use in preparing our DIY acai berry capsule. Let's start. Prepare your capsule filling machine. The capsule filling machine is consisted of 5 parts. Make sure every part is available upon starting the preparation. You can buy the machine online. I got mine from an online store and it was shipped to my address. Leave comment below if you want to know which online shops are selling this stuff. Fill the bowl with empty capsule. Be reminded that the empty capsules are to be separated. The long part and the shorter end. I am using size 0 for a 500 mg capsule. Fill the machine with empty capsule. The long part will sit on the body plate of the capsule filling machine and the shorter end should be filled in the shallow capsule holder or so-called cap plate. Use the alignment plate to fill each hole on the machine. This will make the work easy. Shake the capsule filling machine gently and the empty capsule will slip through the holes. Remove the excess empty capsule from the alignment plate. Press the body plate to check if all holes were filled up with the long part of the empty capsule. Some capsules will be upside down and you need to fix them manually. Prepare the cap plate and the alignment plate that we will be using for the shorter end of the empty capsule. Fill it up with the shorter end of the empty capsules. Do the same procedure as the previous one. Fill. Shake gently and check each hole if properly filled up. Manually fix the placement of each capsule if necessary. Place the middle plate on the top of the cap plate. This will hold the capsule cap in place when you place it on top of the body of the empty capsule to seal the whole capsule. Place the alignment plate over the body plate. We are now ready to fill the body with our acai berry powder. Fill the alignment plate with acai berry powder. I usually put 6 spoons of acai berry powder to fill up 100 empty capsules of 500 mg. Use the powder spreader to evenly apply the acai powder. Make sure all holes are well filled. Use the powder pressing plate to properly fill each capsule. This will compress the content of the capsules. Place the cap plate upside down over the body plate. This will seal and complete our acai berry capsule. Press the plates gently and evenly to seal the capsules. Make sure that the body caps were filled up properly to avoid damage on the capsules. Remove excess acai berry powder. I am using a brush to clean the ready-made acai berry capsules. Remove the cap plate and turn the middle plate upside down. Now we have our DIY acai berry capsules. And that's our episode today. Thank you for dropping by. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave comments below. And if you do like this video, hit the like button, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated on our future contents. Organiko Filipino Farm is all about tips and ideas in agriculture, natural farming, and most especially in free-range chicken raising.